How much does LiveChat cost? In this video, I'm going to go through LiveChat pricing in detail. We're going to check out all of the pricing packages here and go through everything because it's a little bit complicated. They've got a few different plans here, so I wanted to cover it properly. So first things first, if you do want a free 14-day trial of LiveChat, I have an affiliate link in the video description. You can click on that link and you'll find yourself on a page like this or very similar, depending on how LiveChat change their pages over time. So left to right, starting with this starter plan right here. This one is charged at $19 per month. You can see that you get text intelligence. You can track up to 100 visitors. You can have one recurring campaign and a 60-day chat history. There's also 24/7 support right there. So of course that is how many visitors you can actually track in real time, not total. So that's pretty important right there. So if you have 100 real time visitors, that is the max number right there. So that goes up to 400 with the $49 plan. So if you want the team plan, which is described as full-time support team, you get your text intelligence, so you're getting everything in starter, but you're getting 400 visitors. You also have unlimited campaigns, unlimited chat history, etc., etc. I'm not going to read out everything. We'll go through the side-by-side stuff in just a minute. They also have the business plan, which they describe as their most popular plan. This is customer service department. It's sort of described as right here. This one is $79 per month. Again, that's billed per person and it's annually. You get everything in team, but you actually have 1,000 concurrent real-time visitors. You also have the work scheduler, staffing prediction, on-demand reporting, and so on and so forth. Then, like with a lot of SaaS products, there is an enterprise plan. You can actually request this if you fit, if you want these extra kind of white labeling options and kind of custom options there. If you're a larger company, enterprise might be for you. So get in touch with them if that's for you. As we scroll down, we can see right here. Now, it's always good on a pricing page like this to actually have this side-by-side table where you can see all the different plans and what you get, and in some cases what you don't get, depending on the plan that you're on. So always good to see. You can scroll down, you can check this out right here on this pricing page if that is of interest to you. There are some frequently asked questions at the bottom. If you want some more information, I'll just X out of that as well, and some testimonials and stuff down the bottom. But yeah, overall, I highly recommend that you check out my link. You get that free 14-day trial just to check out the platform, see if LiveChat is for you. Maybe it isn't for you. That's absolutely fine. You can cancel at any time. There's no risk to you. You don't lose any money or anything like that. You can see right here, it says no credit card is required. So you can literally just sign up with your email right here, or on the page, whatever the page looks like. When you actually click my link, you'll be able to put your email in there and sign up. So 14-day free trial, no credit card required. Check out the platform, see if it's for you. If it is, you can stick around, you can get one of these pricing plans. If not, absolutely fine, no risk. Just cancel your trial at any time. That's absolutely fine. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.